How to free up storage on any iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to free up storage on any iPhone. So let's begin. There are actually two ways in freeing up storage on iPhone. So the first one is by deleting apps, videos, and photos. And then the second one is by offloading apps if you don't want to delete them. So let's proceed. Go ahead on settings on your phone and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage. So once you're here, you may be able to see the storage used by different apps as well as your photos and videos. So if you want to delete an app, simply go to that app that you want to delete and click on delete app right here. Also, if you press on photos right here, it will show you suggested large videos and pictures that you might want to delete. So go ahead on photos and choose the large videos or pictures that you want to delete. And then let's say for example that you don't want to delete some um, apps, you may offload them by going to the same steps. So click on the app, click on offload, and then what this will do is that it will only free up the storage used by the app, but it keeps its documents and data. So you just simply offload it and then reinstall it once you are going to use the app once again. So another suggestion I can give is to go to um, the same one, the settings, go to settings, and then go to App Store right here and scroll down until you can see the offload unused apps. So again, offloading the app will only free up storage and not delete the data and the content of the app. So go ahead and turn this on. So what this will do is that it will automatically offload the unused app or the less used app on your phone. So once you turn this on, based from experience, this is very helpful in freeing up my storage. So that's it. That's how you can free up storage on any iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.